So I want to get some quick video of this because it's quite a phenomenon, and I probably won't get to see it again in the daylight, so I'm going to get some quick video. But up here around this close, which is where my mum lives in Sussex, I've never seen so many daisies, so I'll try and film it as I drive past. But just see the white fields here, those are all daisies. What's this? Let's see if I can do this. All these daisies. Daisies everywhere, all around this coast. Taxi or something behind me. All around it, never seen so many daisies. Look at this one. I'm just picking it up very well on the camera, but there's literally thousands of them. Everywhere, it's like covered in them. Everyone's garden, every green patch of grass is covered in daisies. By the roadsides there. Close around here actually. All this used to be fields when my mum moved here about 19 years ago now. And they've built this close, but they've done a nice job on it. But I still preferred it when it was fields, to be honest. At least they left some trees about and things like that. What are you gulping at? Bloke giving me dirty looks for filming. What an idiot. Right, I'm signing off. Daisies everywhere, mate. Daisy heaven. Aha. Take a finger out of the way. Stop the car. This will be in the outros. My mistake, sorry. My little video. Thanks very much for watching.